Welcome to House Lux Estate, the go-to channel for financial wisdom and the art of wealth building. We're here to demystify the complex world of finance and guide you on your journey to financial independence. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge, helping you understand the key concepts that can turn your financial dreams into reality. And today, we're taking a deep dive into one such concept: compound interest. In today's episode, we delve into the world of compound interest, a key player in the game of wealth building. Have you ever heard of the term compound interest and wondered what it means? Well, let's unravel this financial concept together, shall we? Think of compound interest as a snowball rolling down a hill. At the start, it's just a small ball of snow, but as it rolls, it picks up more and more snow along the way, growing bigger and bigger. In this scenario, the snowball is your initial investment, and the snow it picks up along the way is the compound interest. But let's break it down further. Imagine you have $100, and you decide to invest it in a savings account that offers a 5% annual interest rate. At the end of the first year, you'd have earned $5 in interest, bringing your total to $105. Now, here's where the magic of compound interest comes into play. In the second year, your interest is calculated not just on your initial $100, but also on the $5 you earned in interest during the first year. So instead of earning another $5, you earn $5.25. That's an extra quarter you wouldn't have earned without compound interest. This might not seem like a lot, but remember our snowball rolling down the hill? As years pass, the effect of compound interest becomes increasingly significant. Your interest earns interest, which in turn earns more interest, and so on. Over time, even a small initial investment can grow into a sizable sum. To put it simply, compound interest is the interest on your initial principal and the interest that has already been added to it. It's a powerful financial concept, and understanding it can help you make informed decisions about your investments and savings. So, next time you're considering where to stash your cash, remember the snowball and consider the power of compound interest. Why is compound interest important, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into the heart of it. Compound interest is a force to be reckoned with in the financial world. It's not just about earning interest on your initial investment. It's about earning interest on your interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it collects more snow, growing larger and faster. That's the power of compound interest. Now, let me shed some light on the concept of time value of money. It is a fundamental principle in finance that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. Why? Because $1 today can be invested and earn interest. Over time, the initial dollar, coupled with the interest earned, can grow into a sizable sum. That's the magic of compound interest. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. If you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual interest rate, you'll have $1,100 at the end of the first year. But here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you earn interest not just on your initial $1,000, but also on the $100 of interest from the first year. So by the end of the second year, you have $1,210. And this process continues year after year, growing your wealth exponentially. This might not seem like a big deal over the course of 1 or 2 years, but let's fast forward 30, 40, or 50 years. The difference becomes astonishing. You see, compound interest doesn't just add to your wealth, it multiplies it. Over a long period, the effects of compound interest can turn even a modest investment into a substantial nest egg. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools in your financial arsenal. It's the reason why starting early and investing consistently can lead to significant wealth accumulation. It's the key to financial freedom and the foundation of a prosperous future. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow and growing larger over time. So let your money roll, let it gather interest, and watch your wealth grow. Now that we understand compound interest, how does it fit into wealth building? Well, compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's a powerful tool in the world of finance and a key player in wealth building. Let's dive in and see just how it does that. Think about it this way. When you invest in a savings account or a retirement fund, you're not just earning interest on the money you put in, but also on the interest that's accumulating over time. This is the magic of compound interest. It's interest on interest, and it has the potential to grow your wealth exponentially. For instance, let's consider a simple savings account. You deposit a certain amount of money, and the bank pays you interest. Now, if that interest isn't withdrawn but left in the account, it becomes part of your principal amount. the next time the bank calculates interest, it's done on this new, larger sum. That's compounding working its magic. Now take this concept and apply it to investments. Many investment platforms, such as mutual funds, stocks, and bonds, operate on the principle of compound interest. Your earnings from these investments are often reinvested, leading to compounded returns. Over time, this can result in significant growth of your initial investment, thereby contributing to your wealth. It's important to note that the rate at which your wealth grows depends on the frequency of compounding. The more frequently interest is applied, the faster your wealth grows. It's a game of patience, but one that's well worth the wait. And here's the kicker: the longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to compound. So the earlier you start investing, the more you stand to gain. It's a snowball effect that can turn a small initial investment into a sizable nest egg. Remember, the secret sauce to wealth building is time, patience, and compound interest. So don't wait. Start investing today and let compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. Let's wrap up what we've learned today about compound interest. Our journey through the realm of compound interest has been fascinating, hasn't it? We've unraveled the concept, explored its power, and looked at how it plays a crucial role in wealth building. Let's take a moment to revisit these critical points. We started by unraveling the concept of compound interest. It's not just your average interest, it's interest on interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster with each roll. That's the magic of compounding. The growth is exponential, not linear. Next, we delved into the power of compound interest. Just like a tiny seed grows into a massive tree over years, your investments can grow exponentially over time with the power of compounding. It's all about patience and time. The longer you leave your money untouched, the more it'll grow. It's like baking a cake. The more time you give it in the oven, the better it turns out. Moving on, we explored how compound interest is a key player in wealth building. It's not about making quick bucks. It's about creating long-term wealth. And the sooner you start, the better. Remember, time is a crucial element in the compounding equation. It's never too late to start investing and leveraging the power of compound interest. We've also emphasized the importance of understanding this concept in your financial journey. When you understand how compounding works, you can make informed decisions about your investments. You can plan better, save smarter, and invest wiser. The takeaway here is simple yet profound. Compound interest is a powerful tool for wealth building. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-surely strategy. But remember, it requires patience, time, and understanding. As Albert Einstein once said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Let's aim to be on the earning side, shall we? And that, dear viewers, is the magic of compound interest. Just imagine if you start today where you could be in 10, 20, or even 30 years down the line. It's not about getting rich quick, but rather about building sustainable wealth over time. And compound interest is your ticket to this journey. So why wait? It's high time to put your money to work. Start investing, no matter how small the amount may seem. Every dollar invested today can grow exponentially over time, thanks to the marvel of compound interest. But don't just take our word for it. Dive in, do your research, and see for yourself how the power of compound interest can transform your financial life. There are numerous resources out there, including books, online courses, and financial advisors eager to guide you on this journey. And remember, we at HouseLux Estate are here to support you every step of the way. We are committed to providing you with valuable knowledge and insights to help you make informed financial decisions. So, if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and join our community of financially savvy individuals. In this journey, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the more you earn. So let's continue learning and growing together. Each one of us has the potential to create a financially secure future. And it all starts with understanding the importance of compound interest. Thank you for tuning in to HouseLux Estate. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts here. Until next time, keep building your wealth.